mechanical keyboard that you love can be the key to unlock any cozy desk setup. The Varmilo VA80 Hygge may just be the perfect candidate. But is it all style over substance, or does the typing experience live up to that cozy aesthetic you're trying to build? Upon opening the box, you can tell this is a quality keyboard, and that keycap design is the most striking feature, especially if you're a sucker for anything with nautical iconography. Set against the Hygge's black frame, those earthy green and beige colours offer a natural and calming colourway for this keyboard. But because you have some snowy white keys sprinkled in, this can also work in a light and airy desk setup as well as a dark one. Stowed underneath a magnetic panel on the underside of the keyboard, you'll find two magnetic faceplates. Not only do they look like really cool little dominoes, if you run your fingers across them, you'll notice that they are slightly embossed, so they add a lot in a physical sense. Honestly though, the coolest thing that Varmilo does with these keyboards is offer several ISO layouts as well as ANSI. If you're based in Europe, you'll know that a lot of these keyboard sets are tailored to the US market, so it's really nice that Varmilo offers options for British English, German and French speakers. Let's take another look underneath the keyboard, because as well as that magnetic backplate, we've also got beautiful glass panel design which showcases the Hygge aesthetic. Hygge is a concept of warmth and comfort that comes from Scandinavian culture. It's a design aesthetic that is imbued throughout this whole keyboard, but this is the showpiece. The keyboard has a two-stage kickstand so you can get a comfortable angle, and underneath that magnetic panel you'll also find the 2.4 GHz connector. With either this method or wired connection, the keyboard will run at 1000 Hz polling rate, which should get you 1 millisecond of latency. Brilliant for gaming. If you're just cozy gaming, you'll probably find the Bluetooth connection is more than stable enough though. To complete the aesthetic and to get even better performance out of your mouse, you may want to take a look at Varmilo's companion desk mat. This is esports grade material with a finely woven cover that is smooth enough to limit inconsistencies with your mouse action. It has a rubber anti-slip base and edge stitching to make for a smart and durable experience. It's also just a beautiful piece of art that will make your desk setup feel that bit more cozy. You may also want to check out Varmilo's wrist rest. Inside the knitted fabric is a layer of memory foam, making this the comfiest wrist rest I've ever used. It may also protect you from wrist injuries going forward, and it has a very effective anti-slip rubber base, so if you're moving your arms around, even fairly rigorously, it's not going to shift an inch. Let's talk about the typing experience in general, because this keyboard is not just looks, it's brilliant to work from too. For an 80% keyboard, it's very spacious indeed, and you'll feel very comfortable working here. Out of the box, you can configure this with either silent or linear Kale Prestige switches. I'm using the linear version, which has 3.2mm total travel. I'm really impressed. These are hi-fi switches, so they're going to limit unwanted rattle or scratching sounds for a clear and pure typing sound from the switch. The gasket mount feels great when you press down on it, and it's just incredibly well built. But let's go into a sound test so you can hear what the switches sound like for yourself. So there we have it, a cozy, comfortable and quality keyboard that brings Hygge to your desk setup for a chilled, restorative gaming or working experience. If you like this video, check out some more of my keyboard videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in a bit.